Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? I, the person, always try to avoid controversy at all costs. But this particular food that I'm going to be trying today has been one of the most requested foods I've had on this channel. It's been requested by a lot of you, the people, and many members of my family. This food is like a really bad movie with a cult following. This 15-ounce can of Wolf brand chili has no beans, is made with hearty chunks of Angus beef and bold spices, and costs $3.27. Wolf brand chili is authentic Texas chili that's hearty, satisfying, and bold. Good or bad, I cannot wait for my Texas viewers' opinion on that. They say it's a keto-friendly beef chili. It says it has 15 net carbs per serving. Saying it's keto-friendly is a broad statement. Everyone is different, especially on a low-carb diet. Right now, personally, I'm trying to keep my carbohydrates between 25 and 30 grams a day. So 15 grams of carbs in one meal would wreck my day. Like I said, everyone's different on the low-carb diet, and some people can have more carbohydrates than others. Wolf brand chili has been a true Texas classic since 1895, and it's ready in minutes. Just heat and eat, and then give your favorite recipe a legendary Texas flavor. Out of 30 reviews, the Wolf brand Angus chili with no beans got 3.4 stars out of 5. The most helpful positive review gave it 5 stars and said it's the best Wolf brand chili they've ever had. The most helpful negative review gave it 1 star and said, "What the?" So I, the person, am gonna have to try the Wolf brand Angus beef chili for you, the people, so you don't have to. Here's the very short list of ingredients, and I'm happy to see that I don't see any textured vegetable protein. But I do see corn flour that can be used as an emulsifier and also a meat extender, which means it could play the same part as textured vegetable protein to make you think there's more meat in it than there really is. The serving size is the whole can, which has 700 calories, 55 grams of total fat, 21 grams of saturated fat, 2 grams of trans fat, 135 milligrams of cholesterol, 1,870 milligrams of sodium, 18 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and 34 grams of protein. Here's our Wolf brand Angus beef chili right out of the can. And I'm not really sure why, but my daughter Lisa started tapping the chili. Hey, she's helping me with the video so she can tap away. So here's our Wolf brand Angus beef chili after microwaving for 3.5 minutes. And one thing I noticed while it was in the microwave and once I took it out of the microwave is it didn't have much of an aroma. Before I make any comments, I have to let you, the people, know that I've never had real Texas chili before. Just the slop that I make home with ground beef and beans that I call chili and I enjoy. So I wasn't 100% sure what to expect. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. Commenting, I wanted to go in for one more bite. Well, I didn't want to go in for one more bite, but I had to, for you, the people, so you don't have to. After my second bite, I'd had enough, and I was ready to give my opinion. But first of all, I want to apologize on behalf of Wolf brand chili to every single Texan watching this video. Like I said, I've never had real Texas chili, but for Wolf brand chili to call this Texas chili is blasphemy. If there's any Texans out there watching this video, try the Wolf brand chili and let me know what you think. In my opinion, the Wolf brand chili with no beans and Angus beef had no flavor, no spice, and the meat concoction was worse than a moist mattress in a nursing home. Basic Wendy's chili that's made with leftover hamburgers is 100 times better than the Wolf brand chili. For that matter, the hot dog chili you get from a 7-Eleven that's been sitting out, dried and crusted up, and well past its expiration date is also better than the Wolf brand chili. Just remember, this is my opinion, so if there's a Wolf brand chili cult out there, please don't come at me. So here's my quick, down and dirty Wolf brand chili review. It was tasteless, it had no spice, and the meat was like little pieces of sponge. I personally would not buy this chili again, which is why I'm giving Wolf brand chili with no beans and Angus beef a 1 out of 10. But like I said, it's just my opinion. So if you want to try it, give it a try and see what you think. Thank you all very much for watching. and I'll see you soon.